Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make my honey glazed rum cake with pecan, and this is all the ingredients. I use carnation powder milk, and I have half cup milk, and we use 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and of course we have rum right there. Look at that, so nice, huh? The bottle looks so cute. You cannot even just pull up the cover, have to unscrew it. But anyway, so I like my glaze with nutmeg and also allspice. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna put all together the powder, the milk, powder milk, go right there, and also the baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Put that together. And the salt right there, and we're gonna shake it. And now we mix them up. Okay, we're gonna need 1 cup and 1 cup of sugar. Then we put the sugar and butter together. Now we'll mix them until it gets softened. Now let's add the egg at other time. Another egg. Last one. Last one. Now let's go ahead and add the milk. And let's add half of the flour in there. Add the rest. I forgot to mention we have 1/2 cup of water. Okay, let's continue to mix it. Now we need 1/4 cup of rum. Oh jeez. So my cake now is drunk. So I have this pan. I need to spray this one. Then we need to put the pecan right there on the bottom. We need a 1.5 cup. Oh, 1 cup is not, it's enough. If you want only 1 cup, you can also do that 1 cup only. So make sure that's even right there at the bottom. And we're gonna pour the flour there. So let's put the flour in there. By the way, you need to preheat the oven for 325 degrees, and we'll bake this one for 45 to 50 minutes. Insert the toothpick. If the toothpick is become clean, so it means it's cooked. Okay, you need to put the whole pan when you bake it. Okay, we'll see you a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and put a 1/4 cup of water. And the sugar. And the liquor. The rum. And the salt, and also the honey. Oh, I hate this honey, it's so sticky. 2 tablespoons of this honey. And then you put your heat to medium low. You still have the honey that's sticking in the spoon. Now we'll add allspice, 1/2 teaspoon. And also nutmeg, 1/2. Now we need to boil this one, simmer it until it lightly caramelize. Alright, that should be enough. So you have to cover the top of the cake with this. You can't smell the rum anymore. You can smell only the spice. That's what I want. Alright, turn off your heat. Leave it there for a while. Just keep stirring it. Then wait for the cake will be done. But we need to make sure you cool down the cake before you pour this one on top of the cake. And this is also good for I just don't have the small mini cake. That would be really perfect. I only have big one. And this is a good for business. You sell it. The small cake, small size. Okie dokie. So this is the finish of my rum cake. So we have to stick this one in there. It's easy to flip over. There you go. Looks awesome. So now let's put the glaze on top. It's gonna be sticky. Okay everyone, here is my honey glazed rum cake. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys like it. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Okay dokie, see you next time.